In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer files from Mega to Google Drive using MTT Cloud. If you work with multiple cloud storage platforms, this method will help you move your files quickly and efficiently without having to download anything to your computer. Let's get started and walk through the entire process step by step. Begin by opening your browser and signing into your MTT Cloud account. This service supports a wide range of cloud platforms, including Mega and Google Drive, and makes it easy to manage your files from one place. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one by following the simple sign-up process on their website. Once you are signed in, you will land on the main dashboard where all your cloud management tools are displayed. At the top of the dashboard, look for the option called Add Cloud. Click on it, and you will see a list of all the cloud services that MTT Cloud supports. From the list, choose Mega. A small window will appear asking you to connect your Mega account. Follow the instructions on the screen to grant permission. This step ensures that MTT Cloud can safely access your Mega files without requiring you to download anything manually. After you confirm, Mega will be successfully linked to your MTT Cloud account. Next, repeat the same process for Google Drive. Go back to the Add Cloud section and choose Google Drive from the list. If you use more than one Google account, make sure to select the correct one before allowing access. Once permissions are granted, both Mega and Google Drive will be fully connected inside MTT Cloud. With both accounts linked, you are ready to begin transferring your files. Navigate to your Mega storage inside the dashboard. Browse through your folders until you find the files or folders you want to move. Click to select them one by one and double check that you have included everything you need. Taking a moment to verify your selection helps prevent missing important files during the transfer. After selecting your files, look for the Copy to button. This option lets you choose the destination for the transfer. Click it and a menu will appear. From there, select Google Drive as the target location. If you ever need to move files in the opposite direction, you can also copy items from Google Drive back to Mega simply by reversing the source and destination. Once you confirm your choice, MTT Cloud will begin transferring your files automatically. You do not need to keep your browser open or wait for a manual download. The system handles everything in the background, saving you time and reducing the chance of interruptions. This is especially helpful when you are moving large files or entire folders, and that's all there is to it. You now know how to transfer files from Mega to Google Drive using MTT Cloud. It is a convenient and efficient solution for anyone managing multiple cloud services or collaborating with different platforms. If you enjoyed this guide, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.